let's talk more about other types of operators. First one is the unary type of operator. Unary operators, and they are used for increment or decrement. Increment, this is one of the types, and the decrement operator is used to remove from the value. So there are two types of unary operators, pre or post. So we have a combination of pre-increment or pre-decrement and post-increment and post-decrement. So let's say if we have int my val equals 15, and we want to use, let's say, pre-increment. Pre-increment operator is used to increment the value before the condition is executed. So if we print now my val, we can see here that already the result is 16, so it's before the operation. But if I increment post or after the operation, so it will still say 16. The value still will be my fault, it will be 15, but after the operation then it will be, as you might see, it's still 15. But if I want to print on the next operation, if I want to print the value, again I want the same thing, my val, you might see that first time is 15, and immediately after this condition is met, after this line is executed, on the next one is already incremented. Same is for the decrement operator. If we have minus minus before, it will go to 14 and we'll print it, and here we will have the same value. But if I have minus minus here, then it will be 15. On the next one we'll go to 14. Okay. Other unary operator is exclamation mark, which is used to invert the logic of any statement. If I have like this some boolean value in some expression, we'll see it later in examples, but if we have boolean value, the exclamation mark inverts it to false, and it's the opposite. If you have false, if we put exclamation mark, it will switch to true. Okay, and now we can see the logical operators, or they are also called relational operators. They are equal to, not equal to. We have also greater than. We have the greater or equal to. We have less than, or we have less or equal to. for comparison and for logic. We'll see later in the next video when we see the conditional execution of code. We use those operators to compare values. If they are equal, to execute one piece of code. If not, to execute other. Same thing if it's greater or less, or greater and equal, less and equal. We will see those combinations in the next video, and those operators are enough so far. See you in the next one.